Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and when I tried the Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara by Maybelline New York, I found out what a true quality mascara actually looks like, feels like, and does for you. This mascara is absolutely amazing. I can definitely say it is one of my favorite mascaras, and for so many reasons. The main reason being the fact that this mascara makes my eyelashes pop. It makes them look longer, thicker, and at the same time, it does not leave my eyelashes with ugly clumps of mascara on them. Also, I find that the packaging of this Maybelline mascara is really convenient. As you can see, it is not very big, but at the same time, you get a good amount of product. As you can tell on the packaging, this shade is the shade Cosmic Black. It has 7.2 millimeters or 0.24 fluid ounces. And I can say that this mascara lasts a very long time on your eyelashes. And also it lasts a very long time because you get a big amount of product. And that is my point of view.